In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the essentials of Marriott Bonvoy Points in 2024. Learn effective strategies to earn, manage, and redeem your points wisely. We'll provide insider tips on how to get the most value from your rewards through informed decision-making and careful planning. The Marriott Bonvoy program unifies rewards across a diverse range of hotel brands. Members benefit from a tiered elite status system that enhances earning potential and redemption options. Understanding these features is crucial for maximizing your rewards and enjoying travel perks while staying at Marriott properties. Earning Marriott Bonvoy points can be achieved through several avenues. Booking hotel stays directly, dining at participating restaurants, utilizing travel partners, and leveraging credit card bonuses are effective methods. Each of these strategies enhances your ability to accumulate points quickly, allowing for more valuable rewards sooner. Regularly checking your Marriott Bonvoy points balance is crucial for effective reward management. You can conveniently access your balance through the Marriott mobile app or website. Staying informed increases your confidence in planning future redemptions, ensuring you make the most of your accumulated points during your travels. When redeeming Marriott Bonvoy points for hotel stays, it's essential to understand the different hotel categories and their associated point requirements. Consider peak versus off-peak pricing to maximize value. Additionally, exploring upgrade options can enhance your stay, providing luxurious experiences without significantly increasing your point expenditure. Beyond hotel stays, Marriott Bonvoy points can be redeemed in various rewarding ways. This includes transferring points to airline miles, renting cars, and enjoying exclusive experiences such as culinary events and adventure packages. Understanding these options allows for more creative and versatile uses of your points during travel. To maximize your Marriott Bonvoy rewards, leverage elite status benefits for additional perks and discounts. Plan your stays during promotional periods to earn extra points or discounted rates. Additionally, watch for targeted offers tailored to your preferences, enhancing your overall experience and rewards accumulation during your travels. As we conclude our tutorial on Marriott Bonvoy points, remember the key strategies for earning, checking balances, redeeming, and maximizing rewards. Start planning your trips now to take full advantage of your points in 2024. Your travel experiences await, so make every point count for memorable journeys.